Choosing the right content ideas is what separates education creators making 5K per month from those making 50 or even 500K per month. And I want to show you how I used one metric that made me almost $2 million and that allowed me to make less videos, get more views, and consistent flow of clients for years. But before that, I want to set you up for blowing up your online education business on YouTube. For that, two metrics matter the most. That's click-through rate and session watch time. So how many people click on your video and how long they keep watching, not just this one single video, but any videos on your channel. But here's the key thing that most people miss. We are pulling the viewer with our videos. We are not pushing our videos to the viewers. Recommendations on the homepage are a reflection of the viewer's interest. YouTube doesn't think, your video is nice, let's show it to someone. No. And humans also change their mind, they change their interest. So the recommended videos your target audience sees on their feed also changes. And since you're here to escape the time for money trap, you need leverage. As Naval Ravikant said, leverage is people working for you or money that you can deploy, software, and content. So you create a video once and it can be watched million times. And the best people in the game, like you will get soon, give all their focus on how many highest quality views they can get once they make a video. This is how you can do it as well in 2 steps. If I spend 5 hours on the video and I get 5,000 views, on average I get 1,000 views per hour of my work. This is some kind of small leverage, right? I'd much rather spend 50 hours on a video to get 500K views, because every single view over the 50K I would get in this scenario is higher leverage, right? So time better spent. In the first step, your goal is to create more videos so that you get so good at making videos that every video gets 500K views. And it also takes 5 hours instead of 50, right? I understand that you might not even have that huge of a niche where you can reach 500,000 people. So just go a few zeros left or right. If you have an expensive product to sell and very narrow niche, you might be getting 500 views or 1,500 views per 5 hours of your work. And that's all you need to make meaningful income. And this thing I'm talking about still applies very much. In ideal world, if you spend more hours making a video, you'll improve the quality. And the video quality has 2 components. It's delivery and packaging. Always remember that this quality is defined by your audience. It's not defined whether you think your video is high quality, right? Delivery is, your camera presence, speaking pace, storytelling, etc. Packaging is how you wrap and structure the content. So your thumbnail, optimized title, video format, visuals, etc. So if you have great delivery, but bad packaging, nobody will see your amazing content. But if you have great packaging and great delivery, this is like viral potential. But this is just step 1. Step 2 is the topic. The topic is what increases the quality of views. Pro tip here is that the more niche and higher priced product or service you sell, the more important quality becomes in relation to amount of views. You don't need quantity if there's just one person on the planet you want to sell to, right? You just need one view from this one person. So we know that we need to optimize for more high quality views per video, not just amount of videos or not just pure amount of any views. Views are a commodity. You can buy views for pennies, but what for? So now this is how you can master step 2 and step 1 to blow up your info business. Step 1, so to get more views through better packaging and delivery, first you make a video, you analyze it, then ask for feedback and fix everything in the next video, so that in 50 videos from now, there's just nothing that would make the video significantly better. I'd love to walk you through how I could help you launch or grow your info business. If you'd like that, just book a quick call with me through the first link below. Now, how we can master step 2. So what topic to create videos on. If you're not pretty, where people will watch anything you put out, we have 2 options left. We can innovate, which is great. You get high risk of not getting any views, but also huge reward. Or our second option is just to copy something that has worked in the past, which is a way easier option to start seeing satisfactory results with. So we would just need to find a proven topic and just copy it, right? But there are 2 very different ways on how you can do that. First way of finding a proven topic is using a tool that shows you outliers. So how much more views a video got compared to average on this channel. There are a few tools that do it. You can just Google YouTube outliers and you will find it. You find an outlier like this that got, for example, 5x amount of views than the average. And then, very important, only then, if you feel like you have something to say about this topic or feel like you could make it just, more valuable for the viewer, you make a video on it. So if you feel like you can make it easier to understand, shorter, more entertaining, you can certainly use this topic. This is what smart internet gurus love to do. Basically, a decamillionaire has his team go to 1of10.com, checks the topic, they find a smaller YouTuber that video popped off, like, if you're ambitious but lazy, please watch this, or copy this video, blah, blah, blah. Sometimes you adjust the title a little bit. Then they take their $200 per hour scriptwriters to write out 10 tips on how to make money with AI. It's truly a great way. You can do it yourself without any editors and scriptwriters. There's nothing to hate about it. The problem with that way, though, is that it's trend driven. These kind of videos will most likely be unrelatable in a few months or years, meaning it has lower chances of getting views every day for years to come. This is why the second way has much higher longevity and is basically a backbone of my info business. We're gonna take a look at existing videos on YouTube and look for the highest views per hour. I love it because it tells you how evergreen the video is. And the more evergreen it is, the higher view cap it has as well, meaning that we have much higher leverage and we actually use the true power of organic content. How you can do that, you can just go onto your competitor's channel, install the vidIQ extension and open the view trending videos thing, and you'll see the highest view per hour videos from here. These you can basically just remake from top to bottom. Also, you can take a look at your existing videos and check which one got the highest view per hour and then remake them again with a few tweaks a little bit improved. I started to optimize for views per hour and it allowed me to basically make less videos, get more views, and most importantly, nothing else matters than sales. Because the topics aren't just trending news or random tricks. Instead, these are strategic tutorials that my ideal clients are basically looking for on daily basis. If you publish a video that gets 10 views per hour for 3 years, you'll get something like 250k views. And if that video is made for your, perfect target audience that are looking for a solution to a problem, and you just help them, and on the video, you present the next step for them to take, you're gonna basically have a steady flow of clients every single day for years. Your other option is to create a video on a trendy topic for an audience that isn't necessarily looking to solve a problem and spend the money with you. You'll get your 250k views in a week, right? Or a month, and then just disappear as a TikTok star with your one shiny video that once made a few 100,000 views. I want you to become financially free, but also time and location free, because only then you can actually start living your life on your own terms. And if you'd like me to map out a plan on how we could launch your new info product business or grow your existing one to 10 or 20k per month or more, just book a call with me through the first link in the description. And if you still don't feel like you want to invest 30 minutes to talk with me, at least check this video on the right, where I'll show you the #1 mistake keeping you stuck below 10k per month.